Hey everybody, I'm gonna show you how to fix this popping sound, if you can hear the camera. You hear that popping sound, on off, on off. We'll show you how to take it off piece by piece and replace the damaged wheel. So please stay tuned. Alright, this is Mike again. I'm having some issue with my dryer. Keep making popping sound or real loud sound is not normal. I will take this apart and I'll show you the bad piece. And I'll also put the description in the video where to get the good part. Because some are very expensive if you go back to Samsung, but you can find them on Amazon, even cheaper. So please stay to watch the whole video. First thing you need to do is to take the dryer off and make sure you unplug it off by the power. First thing you need to do, I'll go back here and unplug the dryer, and we're going to start to disassemble the dryer. First you need to come over here, and there's two screws, actually four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to be this one here. Need to be taken out first. So we're going to take 1, 2, 3, and 4. This bracket here come up, you spring it up and take it off. So, take this off right here. I'm having my son's helping with this bracket. Once you do that, you're gonna flip this up. And there's these wires. Yeah, take these lights off, these plugs off, and plug them 1 and 2. Once you do that, you're gonna this can come apart. Give me a fast one. You want to take off this box off, you just connect the wires. This and this cover too. In order to do that, you should take this off from this side. Cover off. We're gonna pop this cover up right here. 1, 2. If you want to take a picture, you can, but all the wires will go back same spot. Don't cut out wire. You can't cross them, but if you like to take a picture and make you feel more comfortable, you can do that. What I'll do is take this off piece by piece. Once you do that, you're going to take this ground wire off too. Now I'm going to feed this in the bottom. Let's go there, please. Now we're going to lift up the cover to access the dryer. You just lift up and the whole thing can come apart. This is really easy, it's not that hard to take off. Don't be, afraid. It's not that hard. It's just a little bit tight. My laundry room. Now the next thing we need to do is to take off these screws 1 and 2. don't take these off, unnecessary. Take this one and that one off. So we'll see. Take that one off. 1, 2, and also you're gonna open this door, and there's 2 over here. 1 and 2. You can take this off too. 1. There's the door. You're gonna lift up. And there's a sensor right here. Make sure you unplug it. Don't yank it too hard. Unplug it. Just pull. Should come up right off by itself. Now you're gonna pull up, and the whole front door can come. The whole car cover, come up with you. So the next thing, we need to disconnect these wires. On. It's already off. It's already off. And over here. Now we need to take off these 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. When you take off this, don't take the wire bracket, take the bottom one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Not the white with the wire bracket. Leave that one on. So what you do? This one first. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna take this one off too. This one here. Now we're gonna take this wire off. We're gonna lift up, and this front cover will be off. Now I'll show you the back part. If you can see it from here, that bad wheel. If you see it, no, that's the bad part right there. That's your issue. All the popping sounds, all the loud noise. So you're gonna take it off now. Oh, you take off the drum. There's a tensioner right there. If you see the tension right there, it's really easy. All you gotta do, stick your hand and pull the belt forward to release the tension. Once you do that, feel that popping. What do you think? You can help me, please. Pull the drum out from the belt. See the thing already fall off by itself. It's already broke. That's the bad part right here. These, they're not bad. You can place that wheel. If you, I'm gonna post in the description the Amazon kit. It's gonna come with 4-wheel. It's gonna come with a new belt, new tensioner, spring, and the bolt. Or for about $33. If you go on the Samsung website, each wheel will cost you $40. So I will show you that's the bad part. Need to be replaced, and that's your issue. See right there? order the whole kit from Amazon, you get 4 of these wheels, you get brand new belt, you get a new tensioner and the spring and with the bolt. All that for about $33. I think that's a pretty good deal to replace. There's actually 6 wheels, 3 on each side, but these wheels seem to be pretty good. That's a bad one. I don't know why that went bad, I have no idea. But I'll be replacing 4, so in that kit you have 4 of them. You can replace either one, it's up to you. And overall, I think it's gonna save you a couple $100 worth of repair if you do it yourself. It's not that hard, it's not that difficult. Only a couple of bolts to take off. That's it. I got the kit from Amazon. Let me show you. Open the box. What's inside the kit. You get 2 springs, 4 wheels. You get 4 wheels and the tensioner with the bracket with the bolt. Plus you get built. All that for about $30 compared to 1 wheel from a Samsung website, about $42 each. Get all that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace, there's 6 wheels over here. I'm going to replace the 2 the bottom one from each side. There's one over here, that's a bad one, and this side. You can have 2. Also I got compressed air over here. I cleaned the motors, now the whole thing now is pretty good. It's a good time to clean the dryer. In order to change this wheel, you gotta take this cover from the back. There's 6 bolts on the back. You gotta take them off. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. By doing that, this will come off easy. Or you can take this clip off and replace the wheel. So either way, I chose to take this all off and replace the whole thing. But if you want, you can take this clip off. And some light. You can take this clip off and replace that and ready to go. But I chose to replace the whole thing because it came with the assembly. I know it's a little bit more work, but if you want to do it, you can do it either way. Either take the clip off or replace the whole thing. It's up to you. So I'm gonna take this off right now. I know it's a little more work, but if you want to do it this way, you can do it. Is that you can change that to this log wheel. Put the washer back on. And put it on here. You make sure to put a wet glove because it got sharp edges to protect your hand, because it really got sharp edges, really. So you need to put gloves on. Put this back on. Tight. That's it. Put it back. Off this. As you can see, we put everything back together on this side. We replace these 2 wheels. Look at them. 1, 2, 3. And this is a new white clip. That's a new one. And that's the old one. They're the same, no different. Now we're gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna place this side. If you can spin fast, if you do that, I'm gonna place that one. These, don't do them, only that one. I'm gonna place that. So you got the drum back on. All you gotta do right now is to put the belt around the drum. Don't worry about the bottom one. Don't worry about the bottom. Leave this alone. All you gotta do is put the belt around the drum. Go please. We're gonna put the belt around the drum. And we're gonna put the drum right now with the belt together. Just slide them in. Just watch your hand. Here you go. As you can see, I know you need two hands to do this, but this is not that complicated. It's not that, you know, difficult. And now when you spin that, see this spin too? You are good. Now I'm gonna put the front cover now. Please.
Pause.
Yeah, please. I'm gonna put this back on. Light, please. And don't forget to plug all the wire back on. These. Okay. Finally got to replace the bad wheels. Actually replace all three wheels, and I put it all back together, and let's see. Put it back on. Start. Extremely quiet, like a brand new dryer. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. Thank you.